How to add business profile on Google Map or Google My Business. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the step-by-step process how you can add your business in Google Map. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the browser. So guys, here we are. This is my Chrome browser. I'm already logged in with. So first thing, you need to log in with your email ID. So I already logged in with my email ID, that email ID which you want to associate your business. So I advise you create the new email ID, Gmail ID, so you can manage your business email and your personal email properly. If you are using the new fresh email ID for your business account, then it will be very easy to manage your business emails. So let's start with the video. First, log in with your email ID, or you can create the new email ID. Okay, so after you log in, just come to the search bar on Google and type here Google Maps. So this is for new business ad. After you type Google Maps, then this link will be come up in Google search. Just click on it, then this interface will be open. This is like map your current location, it will be show here. So if you're using the phone, any this is your location, particularly your city, and it will be show like this. Okay, so just click on this three line option here, just scroll down and go to the add your business. So here you can add your business. So this is a simple process you can follow. Before we start, I just advise you from some things, that you need to add your proper business details. Okay, you have to add your proper business address, you have to add your proper business working hours or phone number or product name, whatever. So this process will be little bit different, depends on your business categories and your locations. So the process is the same, but the some options or some field data will be little bit different here. So just follow this. So here you have to just type your business name. So just type here like car dealer. So I just car dealer. If you're plumber, shop dealer, any kind of, you can register your business here. Okay, so this is a business category. Business category is a very important, guys, because the your business will be visible on Google or will be show to your customer, depends on your primary business category. So just enter your best primary categories. Okay, if you have different services, you can add later on your service options, but this is your primary category which you have to add properly. Okay, so I'm car dealer, so I just type here car dealer, and the suggestion will be come up. You have to select from here only. So just click on next now. So now you have your option will be different, depends on your business profile or category. So in my case, I got the second option, like if I want to add the location to visit the customer store or office, so I just click on yes, or you can also click on no if you don't want. So here you need to add the proper address. This is for tutorial purpose, so I just add some randomly number of address here, but you need to add the proper your address here. Okay, you can add more lines if you want. If you need more lines, you can add from here. Click on next. So in this business, sometime what happens, Google show you your related, if Google find any business related to your name or address, then business will show you. You have to check on this list that maybe your business already listed from your friends, from your employee, or maybe you're already listed with the another email ID. You have to check from here. Okay, so if you don't find any related business here, then click on none of these and just click on next. So here, as per you have enter the address for visit your customer, with this information, Google will show you where you have your location is it. So you have to properly select your location. You can use this option, which is GPS option, where just click on it, then your GPS will be on and your location will be tracked properly. This is for if you already in your business location. If you are using the laptop or desktop in your at your business location only, then you can use it. or you can zoom it and check your proper location. If it is proper, then just leave it and just click on next, or you can drag this icon for at proper locations, or you can use the satellite map to, or zoom it, zoom out, and use the proper location here and just click on next. Okay, so second option for me, do you provide the deliveries at home? Okay, you can select yes or no as per your categories or business. Here you can add the search area where you have delivery the home. So I just type New York. Okay, I just type some randomly location, but you have to enter the proper location where we provide the deliveries. Okay, just click on next. Here you need to enter your proper contact number or website, and website, proper website. If you don't have website, just enter your contact number and click I don't have website and click on next. And the next option will be like, okay, here you have to enter your phone number to verify your business. Enter the business or proper phone number to receive the verification code. To start verification, enter your phone number. For verification start, you need to enter the verification phone number, but I don't want to enter my phone number, but you need to verify your phone number from here. After you enter your phone number from here, you have to you need to select your country code, then you have to just enter your phone number, then click on next, then you will get the one verification code, then you have to enter, then your phone number will be verified. In my case, I will do for later. Here you can select the your business hours, date and time. You can select start time and end time. I just keep it for now. Here this is a messaging service. If you want to receive messages from your customer, okay, this is a feature in Google My Business where customer can send the message to your email ID or your business on your phone number. So if you want to enable it, just keep it enable or disable it. Okay, and just click on next. I just keep it. Here the business description, here you have to add the proper your business description. It is very important as like categories, so just enter the business description proper here, and it is around 750 word, up to 750 word. Okay, I just type here something and just skip. Okay, skip it. Here the photographs of your business is very important. If you have store, restaurant, and is business likes, customer need to visit your, customer to visit your place, then your photographs is very important to your business profile. So add the photos like this is the example you can see, and after add you can just click on next. I just keep it, so I don't. Here is some credit Google provide you to promote your business. Paid, this is a paid promotion on Google's. Okay, this is an ad you can see. You can add your business, you can promote your business, and Google give you the some promotion amount. In my case, I'm in India, so I got the 20,000 if I want to promote my business. But if in USA, they're around $500. You will see. You can claim here. You need to go in Google Ads, another product of Google, where you can add your business on Google. Okay, so just keep it if you don't want, or you can claim it, but it is a lengthy process. If you want to claim it, or just keep it. So here maybe Google show you some domains where which you can buy according your Google your business name. You can buy from Google domains. You just click, it will be bring you, it will be take you the Google domains, another website of Google where you can buy this domain. So you can also explore more domains if you want. I just keep it. So done. Now just continue. So your business look like this now. Your email ID which already log in, your business will be detailed here. You can add photos from here, you can edit your profile from here, you can edit products, you can add updates, you can see the photos, you can see the messages from here. Okay, you can edit business profile setting here, you can add new business profile if you want, you can go to the help and support if you want, you can add phone number from here, you can add your working hours, you add a website, you can see photos, you can go see more. And here you got the another option, you can simply add your all information. And if you're So if you not verified your business, then you will see one notification here where you have to just verify your business. The verification process is different as per your category. Sometimes Google verified your business by postal code. Google will send you the code by post. It will be take within 15 days to reach at your address. And after you got this postal code, you have to just come here again, just click on get verified, and you have to enter this code. Sometimes it will be verified by your email ID, sometimes it is video call. Okay, it is depend on your business categories. Okay, so after you verified, Google will take some time to visible your business on your Google on online search result. So it show like your business is not very visible to customer till now because you're not verified. So you have to just verify your business, just click on it. So the process is a very different according your details what you have put on your business details. In my case, it is asking me to verify your business, so I just confirm. So I have to enter my phone number, then maybe I have to enter my address. Okay. So just verify your business. That is how you can register your business in Google my register your business profile in Google My Business. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.